waking up this morning, I want to share part of my journey. I woke up this morning so peaceful. Like tomorrow I'm going through surgery, and I woke up like, I don't know, 5:30, 6 o'clock this morning, feeling so peaceful. It feels like this journey of surgery has been this really powerful, scary, spiritual experience. So yesterday, the last few days have been like, I don't understand. My knee is getting so much better. It's so much stronger, all this stuff, and it goes through that. And so I just kept convincing myself that's all it is. And then last night I said, screw it. I'm getting on this the support page for people with ACLs. And I just put it out there like, hey, has anybody been through this where you're just about to go through surgery and your knee gets really strong? And this woman had the perfect answer. She said, my knee was the strongest right before going into surgery. And she was walking, what she say, 7 miles a day. And she was like, it was great. And she had surgery in May, and May of this year, and she's already up to walking 5 miles again. And the way I have been looking at it and wanting to look at it is that my knee is preparing. Like all the meditations, all the visualizations, everything that I've been doing is actually supporting it to heal now and being stronger. Yesterday I actually did 1-leg squats, which the last time I tried was probably about 3 weeks ago, and it was challenging. And yesterday was really easy. And they say that you want your knee as strong as possible before going into surgery because you healed it. And so it's happened. Getting ready for this surgery, I have had to walk all over the city, even with public transportation, even with taking taxis and motor taxis and all this stuff, motorbike taxis. I've had to walk a lot. And I've insisted on when I get to my apartment, I make sure that I go up the stairs and I don't take the elevator, because I know starting tomorrow I won't even be able to, but I know going up those stairs gets everything stronger. And I've had to push, and I've had to relax a lot. Walk 20 minutes, take a rest. Walk 30 minutes, take a rest. It's been amazing. And the support that has come through is just by far nothing it's just amazing. Like I never thought I'd get this much support. So I have somebody, my physical therapist is taking me to the hospital tonight. I have friends from the US that are trapped in Thailand, and they're meeting me as soon as I wake up in the morning. And I'm so grateful for that. That's like, means a lot. I've got 1 or 2 people that might come visit me in the hospital tomorrow afternoon, and I've got one woman that I met last weekend that is going to come spend the night with me in the hospital. Asia is very much like, they're very family oriented, so they can't imagine doing anything alone. And so this woman's from the Philippines, and she's just offered, I didn't even ask, she just offered, she's like, do you want me to come spend the night in the hospital with you? I'm like, oh my God, the hospital was just asking me to find somebody to do that, and here you've just offered. So I'm like, so she's spending the night with me tomorrow night in the hospital. They like that because they like to know that you have everything you need and that you're not going to fall down if you have to get up or whatever, and that you're taken care of. They don't actually have people have surgery without somebody being there with them. This was a new concept for them. It's like, I love Asia. It's so cool. It's like, it's so my way. Like, have people around you. You know, this is good. It's good for healing. And the woman who actually is supporting me, her last name is Hugs. It's like, yes. And she's an awesome hugger. The 30th, she's going to leave because she has to go to work. And then I've got 2 people that, one person just committed that he will come by and pick me up and take me home and get me all set and ready and all that stuff. So yeah, I've met 3 people this week, and all 3 of them want to come by and bring me food and, you know, give me support however I need. You know, I put a thing out on this one support page, and this one page, and asking for support. And some people were like, "What are you doing? Just get a maid." I'm like, no, it's about connection. Like for me, it's about like touch and connection. And so the people who've reached out, they're all very huggy people. They're really amazing, warm-hearted, beautiful people. So I am feeling so taken care of and so grateful. And I love how my doctor the other day, when I saw him for the last time before the surgery, he's like, "So, allograft, autograft." I'm like, I didn't think I had a choice anymore. And I was like, I've already made peace with having an autograft, which is actually the strongest graft. So I'm doing that. And that was the biggest decision I think I've had to make in this. So here I am in Thailand, going through this, feeling really supported, feeling very at ease and peaceful. And I'm just grateful. I'm grateful for all the love and so many people that have reached out and just sent so much love to me and listened to me while I cried on the phone. And it's been very emotional. And now I'm just feeling love and peace and grounded and committed to this, and knowing that I'm doing this so I can dance again, knowing that I'm doing this so I can hike and backpack again. And that is the reason. Like, I can exist the rest of my life the way I am now, but for me to fully live the way I love to live, with out loud dancing, hiking, backpacking, I've made peace with this is the way to go. Everything, my body tells me, my emotions tell me, even though there's a little part of my brain like, oh, you can heal naturally, that's actually been really quiet this morning. It's the first morning it's been quiet, so I feel like I've gotten the answers. I have an amazing surgeon. He's like the second top surgeon, ACL surgeon in the country. So thank you, I appreciate it. Please, my surgery is tomorrow morning, which is July 29th, 5 a.m. Thailand time. Wrap me in a beautiful blanket, wine-colored, like burgundy blanket, with little specks of purple going through it, lavender, and just filling me with love and healing energy. I would love that. So if you do it a little bit before and a little after. My surgery is an hour and a half, somewhere around there, and then I'll be in a waiting room for 2 hours. So I would love it if you could do that. Thank you. Big love. Yes. Feeling so held.